Hey, what's good with the YouTube? Today, we finna prank Jasmine. That's right. Right now, she inside getting ready. We finna go for a little walk, a little run in the park. But I got a little something special. You see this? Exactly. So, what I'm finna do is I'm gonna throw this in the back, right there, and then she gonna come in the car. Got the ball set up right here. And then, cause I be thirsty, I be, stay hydrated. Go. Gotta get water in your system. So, finna run in real quick, give me a little, replenish. And then, finna see what's gonna happen. So, I'm gonna send a little message real quick. Alright. So, she finna come out. Basically, what I'm finna do is a prank. And this is not her bra. She don't know what that is. She gonna see it when she toss this ball, wherever she gonna put it. Hopefully, she put it in the back. If she don't, then I'm gonna try to find a way so she can see it. But yeah, let me see. Oh, here she come. Hey.
Hey. Where are you going?
I gotta fill my water bottle up.
Okay. Whew. It is hot, honey. Could have left the keys. Whew. $34B. Who's... I swear. Oh, it's freaking hot. You pick up. Whose is this? Ah. Don't cry. Don't cry. I don't want to do this right now. It's taking him so long. What is he doing? doing? I don't even care. I swear I don't care right now. What? Why is he not picking up? What is this? This is not even my size. What is taking so long? Whose is this? I do not even feel like doing this right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, now you want to freaking come. I'm not trying to deal with this. I swear.
Hey, getting sweet and salty.
Kill him.
What?
Whose is this?
Who's what?
What is this?
What's what?
Kill him. You know what this is. What? Whose is this?
That's a bra.
I know, but whose is this? No, stop. Stop. No.
It's mine. Do you want one?
No. I'm asking
Why are
you a
you trying to?
question.
Why are you yelling?
Whose is this?
Who are you yelling at?
Whose is this?
Yours.
This is not mine. I know what my bras look like. Where did you get this from? Why was it in your back seat? I haven't been in your car and for so long. Why is this in your freaking back seat in plain sight? Like, if you wanted to hide something from me, you could have done a better job. And I wouldn't have even known about this right now. I'm over here.
Talking? That's your bra.
No, I'm over here about to cry. Because whose is this?
That's yours.
No, whose is this, Keelan?
Not mine. What you mean? No, for real, for real, for real.
Where did you
For
get
real.
it from? Why is it in your back seat?
I mean,
This
only.
is disgusting. Whose is that? That is
Why
so
are you-
gross. Because that is not even my size.
Yes, it is.
That's a B. That's a B.
Why are you tripping like
I don't
this,
wear a
bro?
size
You know
B.
this is yours. Why are you tripping?
That is not mine.
Then
Where
whose bra? Why would it be in my car?
exactly. Why would it be in your car? Why would any of my bras ever be in your car? Why is that in your car?
Where did you find this?
In your back seat, right behind your seat. So did you have someone else in here?
I know what.
What?
We was for like. It was look, listen.
It is hot.
Stop, no,
It's
no,
hot.
look. It's cause when we went to cause quarantine, you know.
What about it?
This is yours.
How? Because quarantine.
That's what I'm
mine?
saying. Quarantine.
That has nothing to do with anything.
Quarantine.
Quarantine has nothing to do with anything.
Yes, it does. Why everything's been happening like this? Quarantine. We had to go get. No, look.
You're
what are
saying
you doing?
stupid.
What are you doing?
That has nothing to do with anything.
I'm thirsty too. I'm talking to you.
I'm not even trying to argue. Like, I really just wanted to have a good day with you, go on our walk, and now I'm finding this in your car. Why? Like, why you gotta do that?
Jazz, that's yours.
Where did it come
We
from?
can
Who was
still
in
go
your
on
car?
our walk.
Who was in your car, Keelan? Keelan, who?
Jazz, I'm telling you,
who-
quarantine.
Okay, I'm done.
We had to get your stuff from
I'm
the
done.
dorm. We had to pack up everything. That's what I'm saying.
Keelan, this is not even my bra. Like, come on. Come on.
I'm telling you, it is.
Why are you being like
Quarantine. That's all I gotta say. Like, what you want me to say? Quarantine. That's it.
that? What does quarantine have to do with you cheating on me?
Who said I cheated? I didn't even say I cheated.
Why else would there be a bra in your car if you didn't cheat on me? Keelan, I'm not gonna do this with you right now.
Look, when we look at me. Okay. When we got your stuff from the dorm, and we packed up everything, this was probably there too.
That was not there.
This might have been like an old roommate or something. Like,
I didn't have a roommate.
No, I'm just saying, like, it could have been like we could have
my God.
like, we was having clothes fall out the thing too. Like, this, I could have picked this up or something. You could have picked it up, thinking it was yours.
I would have seen you pick it up.
All right, no, but for real, like, this came from when we was moving you out.
Yeah, and it's just left in your back seat when we made sure we cleared everything out. And you've had people in your car since that day.
What are you talking about?
You have had your friends in your car since that day. How would they have not seen it and said something about it? I don't believe you, Keelan. Don't go. I want to walk by yourself.
Why did you slam my door? Gotta stay hydrated. Alright, y'all. Team key, team key. Team key, spam team key. Let's go. Here we go. Hey.
What? Keelan, I don't want to talk right now. Just go.
Look up.
What are you filming for? Why is there?
You already know why I'm filming.
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Why did you do that?
So how you feel? How you feel? How you feel, babe?
Sad. Don't ever do that to me in real life, or I might hurt you for real. Come on, let's go. What's going on?
Alright, y'all, so we got her. Spam team key in the chat.
Give me the camera.
Spam team key.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna be back, and you guys already know that I come in clutch with these pranks. He's about to be looking like me real quick, so stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time.